In this video, let's keep working on the pawns rules, okay? This time is about En Passant. En Passant is a very special rule for the pawns. It, so let's use the white side as an example, okay? So it happens like that. So don't worry about this. So for En Passant to happen, the white pawn has to be here, and the for the En Passant move, the destination has to be here or here, okay? And another condition is there has to be one black pawn here or here, like this guy here. So we can do En Passant like that to kill this guy, but it can be here or here. And En Passant has to be immediately after this move. So it means we need to create a variable to trace the last moved piece. So let's do it here in our game engine. So let's create another one here. Let's keep the, okay, so I think we can, do we want, okay, so leave it there like that, okay? So we need another variable to var last moved piece, right? Its type, of course, is chess piece. Question mark, optional, right? Last moved piece, it can be nil, right? At the beginning of the game, it is nil. Last moved piece. So where can we assign the value to it? Move piece, right? So after we move piece, so here we can assign this guy last move piece equals moving piece, right? So insert this one. So let's do this. It's not moving piece, it's the new piece. So it's the new piece, this guy. Cut and paste. So this one, last moved piece, we insert it into, okay. So now we have the last, what? Oh, of course it won't be, so is there a better way to do that? Okay, so insert, let okay, new piece, no, okay, so last moved piece. What's the good name for this one? Piece. So that new piece, we move the piece, okay. What is this? What's the good name? What is the good name? Piece dot remove moving piece. Move the piece. Can we use move? Okay, move the piece equal to that. Okay, so let's go back here. Okay, move the piece. So we know, yeah, we insert the moved piece, then we assign last piece to move the piece like that. So move this. Yeah, I like this one. moved piece. So we insert the moved piece. Yeah. Okay. Now let's go back to our. So we have moved piece. It has to be. It has to be. Move piece has to be here or here. Then we can move to there. Now let's do something like that. If so, we will use white, okay, as the starting point. So moving pawn dot is white. Yeah, if it's white, it means it has to be on this row. So if moving from row has to be 0, 1, 2, 3, has to be 3, and the 2 row has to be 2, and the 2 column has to be, yeah, the delta of column has to be 1. Yeah, ABS minus from column has to be 1. Okay, so it has to, yeah, this is en passant move, right? Oh, here, yeah. And now let's say last, this is the last, right? And let's put so we can put the other part here. So return like the last moved piece dot rank has to be let's put an if let here, so we can get rid of the question mark. If let, yeah, let's put if let. Okay, so if let last moved piece equals last moved piece So if you are not familiar with this syntax, this last moved piece is not same as this one. This is the local copy. This is the global one. So we return last moved piece. This is this guy. Now dot rank has to be pawn, right? And oh, so let's use our enemy. So enemy pawn. Okay, enemy pawn. Yeah, this is the better name to make it more clear. So enemy pawn dot rank has to be that, and the color has to be enemy pawn dot is white. Has to be different, right? With moving pawn dot is white. Yeah. And its location has to be here. Its location has to be that, yeah, here. So yeah, so its location has to be, so enemy pawn dot column dot row has to be same as moving pawn dot from, right? Dot oh no, yeah, from row, and enemy pawn dot column has to be 2 column. Wow, that's a lot. Okay, now let's create a test case. Okay, it will take a while to write this test case because we need to set up the game board. Let's do it manually for now. Oh, but so let's put a print here. So like En Passant, yeah, En Passant. So print what? Code of the return will return that. So it means yeah, it's not easy to check here. So okay, so let's create the test case for this one. So it's like, okay, go here. Let's create a test for En Passant. Okay, so now test white pawn I don't know, is it called like the En Passant for black or white? So this one En Passant, En Pass. Okay, maybe it's white En Passant. Okay, test white En Passant. So let's create yeah. Let's make a scenario, create a scenario like that here. So a white pawn is here, right? Is here. And the black pawn is there on line 3, yeah, on row 3. So now we need to create a game and insert 2 pawns like that. This is the first one, so while there. So it means this guy should be able to move to here. Yeah. Oh, that's our for like yeah, it's available, is accessible. So game insert this one is white is. Let's insert the white first. So white is 5-3. 5-3. Yeah. To mimic this one, this guy here. 5-3. 5-3. Okay, so the other one is 4-3. 4-3. 4-3. So we'll set let's create this one as moved, yeah, last moved piece, right, equals that. So we can set game dot last command B, last moved piece equals last moved piece. So we can insert this has to be so let's insert that and set this one. So now we can xct assert, right? Assert true. I think I missed one important fact. Look here. Look here. This is not enough. Like the last move piece is here. Because it cannot be from here to here. Then the condition is not enough for en passant. It has to be from here to here. So and it has to be its first move. Okay, so I think I will redesign this last move piece. We'll save a last move. Okay. Let's create a file for move struct. Like that. Let's add a struct for our move here. New file. Next. Chess move, okay. Chess move. Chess piece, chess move, okay. So create a struct. Chess move, so we have simply that from column int, from row int, and to column int, and to row int. Let's save this one. So put it back here and hide that. So instead of saving our last moved piece, let's save last move, okay? Last move. So it will be chess move, right? Does it compile? Command B. Okay. So last move. Oh, so last move is okay. So of course, the last move is chess move, right? Chess move like that from column, from row to column to row. Okay, so now we don't need that. We can put this back to here. Insert like that. Okay. So we have last move. Now we need the last move piece, left move piece. So if let and okay, so now we can use enemy pawn last move piece. Which name? If let enemy last moved pawn. Okay, last moved pawn is good name. Last moved pawn. Last moved enemy pawn, like that, equals piece at. Yeah, piece at. So this will be last move dot to right colon O. Wow. So we have to, so last move equals last move. Wow. Okay, if that, and let last so enemy pawn equals piece at. Now last move dot to colon and last move dot to row. It's like that. And now we can use, so enemy pawn equals that is white. Does it compile? Command B. Okay, and we need to add more condition. Oh, last move. Okay, so if the last move is from here, right, to here, we need to add that condition. So last move, if that, and so last move dot from row, right, here has to be 1. This is very important. It has to be from here and to here. Is that good enough? What about, and it has to be pawn. It has to be pawn. Okay, so from this row to this row, and it's a pawn. Yeah, I think it's good enough. Now we don't have that, so last move, yeah, let's put the last move equals chess move from 4-1 to 4-3, right? So 4-1 to 4-3. So we insert the last move piece. We don't need that now. We don't need the last move. Cut. Put here. So let's try it. Run it. Yeah, it passed. But now let's comment out this code. Okay, let's comment out this code to see if it passed or not. So it means it's triggered from our new code. Nice. Okay, I'm happy now. So we'll continue with this in our next video. See you then. Thank you for watching.